How to close Axis Bank savings account. I'm going to show you how you can easily close an Axis Bank savings account. First, clear all pending transactions and check for any active direct debits or standing orders. Next, open a new account to transfer your funds and manage your finances without interruption. Redirect all recurring payments and direct deposits to the new account to avoid missed payments. Once the new account is active, transfer the balance from the old account using online banking, a check, or a direct transfer. Notify Axis Bank of your decision to close the account by submitting the account closure form, cutting up your debit card, and providing any unused check leaves. Request written confirmation of the closure and be aware of any potential fees. Securely dispose of your checkbook and debit card, and monitor your statements for any unexpected transactions after closure.